Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. Today we shall discuss about untold facts that synthetic volatility markets will be future Forex in crypto Bitcoin age. Let me repeat it again. Untold facts that synthetic volatility markets will be future Forex in crypto Bitcoin age. Okay. Before I continue, let me just read this script. Normal forex, which has to do with currency pairs, stocks, futures, etc., is not continuous. Yes, and are subject to forced news and other external influences. As a result, traders might shift to trading synthetic market because it is continuous and unaffected by news or other external factors. You can take $1 to $11,000 plus in a synthetic market, but you cannot do that in a normal forex because normal forex brokers does not provide such platforms. So you can easily invest your synthetic profits into Bitcoin, other cryptos, and NFTs and metaverses. You see, now let me show you one thing to make this real, because a lot of people don't understand the future. The future is going into metaverses and NFTs and cryptos and Bitcoin. That is, we are going into decentralized monetary age, whereby we don't need the middlemen, we don't need banks, which are the middlemen, we don't need third party for our transaction. We are now entering the stage or the age of peer-to-peer transaction. There is no need of middleman, and if you don't have what it takes to take advantage or to be in the system, then you will be one of the poorest members of the society as the crypto Bitcoin age erupts and develop more and more. In other words, you should actually embrace synthetic market in order to have funds or have capital to join the crypto, Bitcoin, NFT, and metaverses investment, because day by day the cost of getting a particular cryptocurrency increases. Today, Bitcoin worth over $40,000. Just to get one Bitcoin, and to get one Ethereum, it was over $2,000. So in a couple of years to come, it will be worth much more. That's how it is. It will worth much more because we are shifting from centralized monetary systems to decentralized monetary system, and that shift will cause a lot of challenge to those that don't take the opportunity in time. Okay, so if you miss the opportunity to buy some cryptos or NFTs when their prices were cheap, the only way to enter when the prices is very high is to use the tool of volatility market. If you check down the description of this video, I have a course called Drop Binance. That is the trader rollover program, binary option rise and fall, where I teach you how to take $1 to $11,000 plus in 14 trades, and then you can use the money to enter into crypto investment. So the cost of enrolling for the course is just $150. Very soon it might rise to a couple of $300 because of high demand in the courses and what it takes, like the course content, because as time goes on, there is additions to the course, like updates, that if you didn't have access to the course, you can't have the update, and this is what you are doing to make sure you fit into the crypto world. You can buy Bitcoin. You can possess Bitcoin at a cost of $40,000 plus if your annual net worth is not even up to $40,000, or your monthly net worth is not up to $40,000 plus. So you need actually to understand this hidden fact. You should pay more attention to trading synthetic market than trading the forex market, because there's a lot of discontinuities in the forex market. You can trade forex market, but you need much more capital to trade forex market. But you can trade synthetic market just with $1. With $1 you can make huge money in for a synthetic market, but with $1 you cannot do anything in forex market. You need big money like $1,000 and above for you to actually make huge profit. So check down the description of this video to start enrolling for synthetic courses. I have a couple of synthetic courses, one on binary and then one on margin trading. You can take advantage of them and start changing your life. The one on binary is $150 and the one on synthetic is, the one on margin trading is $250. Then I have specialized courses for each asset. If you really want to just focus on those assets, you have to check down and start enrolling right away. Also, we offer VIP signals on the synthetic market, also on forex market and on the binary market. Then you actually need to subscribe for the VIP. Lifetime is $1,000 and monthly is $200 and yearly is $840, 30% commission. Right, these are flat price that you can't change. They are just mathematically calculated to actually contain all the stresses, everything it takes to produce raise signal, 100% fish signals that never fail. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. I want you to start taking action. Learn the culture, the habit of trading the volatility synthetic market, and you will ever thank me. Bye for now.